Vatapurnima Vrat is doing Hindu married women to grant a long, healthy, and happy life to their husbands. Vatapurnima, also called Vatasavitri, is a Hindu celebration observed by married women in Mithila, North India, and in the western Indian states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, and some regions of Uttar Pradesh. On this Purnima means full moon during the 3 days of the month of Jeshta in the Hindu calendar, which falls in May-June in the Gregorian calendar, a married woman marks her love for her husband by tying a ceremonial thread around a banyan tree. The celebration is based on the legend of Savitri and Satyavan as narrated in the epic Mahabharata. As the name suggests, this day honors the dedication shown by Savitri towards her husband, Satyavan, when she saved him from Yama, the lord of death. Savitri was born to King Ashwapati and his wife Malvi as a blessing from goddess Savitri. She grew up to be a strong, intimidating woman. On being told by her father, she set out to find herself a husband. On her pilgrimage, Savitri met Satyavan, who was fated to die within a year, but she married him though. On the day of Satyavan's fated death, Satyavan suddenly felt weak and died, and his grieving, steady wife laid his body under a banyan, means what tree. Yam come to fetch Satyavan's soul, but determined Savitri offered the Lord of Death a praise, who granted her 3 boons. Impressed by her conviction and choice of words, limiting the boons of everything but Satyavan's life. With the first boon, she asked for eyesight and restoration of the kingdom for her father-in-law. And with the second boon, she asked for a son for her father. She used a third boon to ask for children, putting Yam in a puzzle, who finally agreed to keep Satyavan alive owing to Savitri's persistence and dedication. The happy wife went back to the banyan tree and circled around it happily, after which Satyavan woke up as if from a deep sleep. On the occasion of Vatapurnima, women keep a fast of 3 days for their husbands as Savitri did. During the 3 days, pictures of a banyan tree, Savitri, Satyavan and Yam are drawn with a paste of sandal and rice on the floor or a wall in the home. The golden engravings of the couple are placed in a tray of sand and worshipped with mantras, chanting, and vata leaves. Outdoors, a banyan tree is worshipped. A thread is wound around the trunk of the tree and copper coins are offered. Strict adherence to the fast and tradition is believed to ensure the husband a long and prosperous life. During the fast, women greet each other with Janma Savitri Ho, means become a Savitri. It is believed that until the next 7 births get the same husband and he live well. The mythology behind the festival is symbolic of natural phenomena. It is a representation of the annual marriage of the earth and nature represented by Satyavan and Savitri. It is like the way the earth dies every year and is regenerated by the powers of nature. The Vata tree was likely chosen due to the mythological aspects connected to the tree that are known to Indians. It is believed that Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva reside in the banyan tree. Trees have the highest age of banyan trees. The banyan tree is worshipped because its longevity, strength and spiritual importance are also of paramount importance to the environment. The banyan tree is mentioned in many ancient Indian texts and scriptures representing the divine creator and symbolizing longevity. In Hindu mythology, the tree is believed to provide the fulfillment of wishes and provide material gains. The banyan tree has the ability to support its ever growing branches by the development of unexpected roots from its branches. The Vatapurnima festival is observed so as to ask and pray for the well-being of husband. Women dress in fine saris and jewelry. The festival involves women fasting through the day and tying red and orange or white threads around an auspicious banyan tree for praying to the Lord Almighty so as to get the same husband through all of their lives. The married women pray for the well-being of their entire family. Happy Vatapurnima to all.